how do you put a lot of information onto one side of one piece of paper that will not only carry your message, but will also double up as the envelope in the simplest way possible? It would need to be cut sheet, no sprockets, and would need to be used with an ordinary everyday desktop laser printer. Of course, one-piece mailings in some guise or another have been around for some time. Some have release tapes that need to be removed, some have complicated folding patterns, some you have to lick, some are sprocket fed through dot matrix printers, and others require expensive sealing equipment. Fine if you're a high volume user, but what if you're not? Master Mailer looked at this problem and applied some new thinking. The secret lay in an adhesive that didn't yet exist. That is until now. It took some 8 years of research and development to perfect a unique combination of glue that would not only be laser printer compatible, be self-sealing with finger pressure, but would also form an intruder-proof adhesion if sealed under high pressure, and finally would allow such mailers to be affordable to the small and medium user. Its particular advantages and qualities are illustrated in this short video, where we'll show you not only the manufacturing process of the mailer, but also the tremendous advantages of this unique and highly engineered piece of paper. The mailer starts life as a reel of paper, which has been pre-perforated and printed. The unique self-adhesive is then applied to all 4 edges of the page. The paper is then passed through radio frequency dryers, and this cures the glue, rendering it stable enough to withstand the continuing process. Next, the cutters remove the window area and the residue paper is removed by suction. Another adhesive is applied to the window area, ready to receive the transparent laser-compatible window foil. Now the paper travels towards the adjustable cutting units, which create the finished size of the mailer. The cut sheets are counted automatically and are ready for packaging. So what we have here is our finished product. But these mailers can be anything you want them to be. They can be pay advice slips, invoices, statements, letterheadings, advertising material. They can show your corporate livery or be plain blank for you to do whatever you like with them. Here's how it works. This is a popular make of desktop laser printer. Gently fan the paper before loading it into the cassette, just as you would using ordinary paper. Close the cassette, and now we need to go to the PC, where we have a document already prepared. We've drafted a standard letter layout, easily created using Microsoft Word, but this could just as easily be a template generated by your software company for pay advice, invoices, or a variety of business forms. Now what we're going to do is ask the PC to send a signal to the printer to print a quantity of mailers. And here they are. So what we have now is the printed mailer complete with message, ready to be sealed. As you can see, the recipient's name has been mail merged to fit the address box that will be covered by the window. So we have all the details on one side of the paper. The unique part of this product is that you now have 2 options. If your document is non-confidential, you can simply fold the paper in half and seal the document, as you would a self-seal envelope, by applying finger pressure to all 3 edges. As you can see, the recipient's name and address shows through the window and it's ready for the post. What we need to do to create a totally tamper-proof document is to pass it through an automatic sealing and folding machine. This machine will take the document and fold it within the folding plates and then send it down the chute, where high-pressure rollers are waiting for it. These pressure rollers will then apply sufficient pressure to the adhesive, which will burst additional glue molecules within the adhesive, making the document completely secure. This machine is capable of producing over 3,000 documents an hour, and higher output machines are also available as part of the Master Mailer range. The only way to open this document would be to follow the printed instructions and de-perf the 3 edges, opening the document all round. it's impossible to pick apart. Let's tear the document in half and attempt to break the bond. And as you can see, the paper fibres are now torn, and it would be impossible to reseal the document. So we've achieved a totally tamper-proof document. From this to this, intelligent paper, a new direction for mailers. From Master Mailer, it can be whatever you want it to be.